Welcome to the Winning Move Podcast. This is going to be an amazing podcast today. We're going to talk about keeping the hustle in your life through pressure. It'll somewhat go off of our last episode of Pressure Creates Diamonds. But let's tune in. So, in this game, it's really easy to fall off or lose the amount of hustle you have because you get a little bit of money in your bank account. And I'm a really big believer in the Grant Cardone style of I try and keep the least amount of money in my account. So I always have to hustle. So this is my personal opinion. I think immigrants are the best entrepreneurs because they have that fucking hustle muscle ingrained in them because they were born into fucking chaos and they had to rise out of those ashes and keep on going. And then now they make it to the business world and the hustle never stops. If you really want to be a good entrepreneur, the hustle should never stop. And yes, we need to have constraints of our time and we aren't just hustling all the time, hustle. But when the lights turn on, and let's say that like every morning the lights turn on at 5 a.m. and the lights turn off at 5 p.m. When those lights turn on, we are balls to the wall, efficient, getting shit done. There is no lack of urgency and lack of pace and lack of cadence. Those things separate the goods from the greats, right? I mean, in order to be Jeff Bezos, think about how efficient he has to be, number one. And then number two, the man has fucking cadence and hustle. Like real, and I'm not saying, side hustle. No, I'm talking about like, okay, chop. This needs to get done. This needs to get done. This needs to get done. What's next? Let's keep on rolling. High energy in whatever way you see fit. You may be a low energy guy outward, but like we're getting things done in a timely manner. So next time you are going throughout life and you notice yourself to fall in a rut, ask yourself, what am I lacking? Generally, like in the last episode we talked about, it's probably not enough pressure. You may be just like, maybe you're in a lull, or maybe you just feel too high on the hog and you think you made it. But for me, I never ever want to feel like I made it, and I don't think I ever will. And so I always want to keep pressure on myself. Come here, my guy. Say hi to everybody, Zeno.
Hi.
Wait, you got to get in the camera.
Hey, everybody.
Say hi in the camera.
Hi.
Say hi in the microphone.
Hi there.
Thanks, my guy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget, you're that fucking dog, and you got this.